Self-driving cars will become more efficient and accessible by 2025, providing safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and freedom for drivers. AI is also revolutionizing vehicle design. Through advanced simulation, AI can assist designers in creating aerodynamic shapes, lightweight structures, and more efficient powertrains. Key features will include generative design. AI can create designs that humans might not have considered, offering innovative solutions for weight reduction and strengthening vehicle components. Customizable interiors. AI will allow for more personalized vehicle features such as adaptive seating, dynamic climate control, and AI-based infotainment systems. Futuristic exteriors. By using AI, automakers can design more aerodynamic and sleek exteriors that improve fuel efficiency and performance. In 2025, AI will be at the forefront of designing smarter, safer, and more efficient vehicles, changing both how they look and how they perform. AI is not only transforming how cars are driven, but also how they are built. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation will improve production speed. Robots powered by AI will be able to assemble vehicles faster and more accurately than humans. Quality control. AI algorithms will inspect each vehicle with high precision, ensuring no defects are overlooked and higher quality standards are met. Supply chain optimization. AI will predict demand, manage inventory, and streamline the logistics, making the production process more efficient and cost-effective. AI will enhance the automotive manufacturing process, making it faster, more accurate, and more cost-efficient, helping automakers produce high-quality vehicles